Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Nawe. I'm still a boy Taylor DJ. So ngibona ivideo la ya lentwana le hayi lentwana kulonyaka ilokile njalo. So ngibona ivideo la ku YouTube la kule show kwaThayizwa show lapha ngibona uSibamane lapha befikile zo rapper ke because ama rappers amaningi la show ayisaba because lapha it's all about ama bars, it's all about ama flows abantu abakwazi la to think on the spot be rap lapha. I think uSibamane wenza kahle kakhulu bengamthembi bengamlindele because even noNesty C akakaze lapha noNesty C yena ku balance uyakwazi ukurap and uyakwazi nokurapper so uSibamane ufocus kakhulu kuleli side leli rap but lapha ufika wafitha wadisa nabo abantu. I think uSibamane ready for album indlela kanje akasemudini I think album mode ngempela lapha and I was not a big fan kaSibamane until this I think this improve ukuthi no akayena lo cheese boy esigabanga ukuthi uyena because mina bengithi ntwana nje cheese just ethi yabane lakhe mhlawumbe athiwa la hit song lo qalelana but no sengiprovele ipoint ayikhona ikhona into ekhona lapha ngiyambona futhi ukuthi hayi lobuqhwaga bukhona lapha ngena ke ngiyawathanda ama artist anokhakhayi lithe uqina ke lapha so I think uSibamane ngiyamgcoba bafana mina hayi inkunzi ke leyana I think uSibamane uzogqilaza kakhulu lo nyaka because bese vele izinto naziqalile zamtrendisa ukuthi vele zimdise ethulele lapha so mase vele ezophakama ephinde rap wonke umuntu unama freestyle ake wenza every Tuesday unama drops drop every Friday disabantu and bonke laba badisile bamdise back ngama-tracker work so still namandu usawinile so I think album nje meka ikhipha dise izoflanga ngempela and i-record label yakhe bekuyisona isikhathi esi-right ngempela bekhipha album mhlawumbe iphume manje ngoJuly noma iphume ngoAugust because kula interview ayenze lapha no-LT do esho ukuthi ufuna ukukhipha album before uphela unyaka. I think isikhathi esi-right lesi samanje because imode akahamba kuyona uyabona ngempela udinga nje album even nabantu abenza ama-shows mawuzofuna artist le-hip hop umuntu right now ngempela obona ukuthi hayi ufikile uSibamane uyalwa ngempela so kumele bekhona bepresent kona wonke ama-show so ngibe happy ngale freestyle lapha yakuThayizwa show because ama-rappers amaningi ayesaba la show ngiyafisa bebe-invite ku-MT ngiyangibona ukuzoyenzakalani because omunye umuntu onazo story but I think wayesaba lento ku-freestyle naye lapha so nje I was super impressed about uSibamane lapha kuThayizwa show and ngiyabona ama-numbers lapha ku-YouTube kwi-episode la kaSibamane uthi ikhula kangakanani and le isho another thing ukuthi i-brand kaSibamane inkulu kangakanani because labafana abancane laba bafika la bafana be-SoundCloud baphinde bethi mhlawumbe ngoba mncane nabo lingana nabo nge-level but ngowe-brand usekude kakhulu uSibamane kunabo so umprovelile-ke lapho nje so hayi uSibamane I think yona bhuli ngempela-ke leyo simele nje simnikeze i-title uMr Bully hayi wasemlazi uMr Bully. Angisafuna ukukhuluma kakhulu kuze kuthiwa sengithe ngizoyivala khona lapha ivideo yami sekhona ku-Twitter @Speaker Nawe sibe khona ku-Facebook siSpeaker Nawe sikhona ku-TikTok siSpeaker Nawe show.